today's press conference. Today's press conference is related to recovery of consignment of arms and ammunition, which is recovered during intervening night of the last night in the general area of Akhnur by Jammu Police as well as the special troops of Army. Yesterday, during evening hours, we had received credible inputs regarding dropping of weapons as well as ammunition by terrorist organizations from across the border in general area of district Jammu, based on which we had started search operations in all the border areas of district Jammu, including the areas of Akhnur, specifically the areas of Khurs, Sohel Khat, Shamshan Ghat, Punnu Chowk, Sohel Market, etc. One of the search parties of Sohel Khat area heard drone-like sound in the general area, wherein the additional parties were sent there of Jammu Police, SOG as well as special troops of Army, and approximately at 0050 hours they had recovered a consignment which was tied up with a rope and packed in a solid packaging material. Because they had listened to the voice of a drone-like object, they had again strengthened the search area of the Sohel Khat, upon which after a gap of about half an hour another consignment was found there. Both the consignments, when opened, it was found to be laden with 2 AK-47 assault rifles, 3 AK-47 magazines, 90 rounds of AK-47, 1 Star pistol with 2 magazines, 14 live rounds of pistol, packaging stuff containing thermocol wrapped in adhesive tape with wooden fittings and strings of approximately 300 meters of length in each packet. Accordingly, case FIR number 156 of 2020 has been registered in police station Akhnur under sections 121, 121A, 123, 120B IPC, 13 and 21 of Unlawful Activities Prevention Act and 7/27 of Indian Arms Act. Investigation into the case has started as to check who was the receiver of the consignment which was being sent from across, which initial investigation has suggested to be dropped by some flying object, most probably the drone. As the investigation will proceed, we will come to you again about the receivers of the illegal consignment of arms and ammunition and the organization linked to it. Initial investigation suggests it to be the consignment of Jaish-e-Mohammed, but subsequent investigation is required to confirm this finding. For the media in Hindi medium, as usual.